Welcome back to Bobcat Vlog. Today we are going to share about Ficus geniculata. So please watch till the end and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Nagaland is blessed with the variety of the Ficus geniculata species, which is being used in different forms in different places according to the culture and traditional knowledge about it. The evidence of the Ficus species are being promoted from the Sumerian civilization, Old Chinese and Greek, which give us an idea about its storage and its consumption. The ficus is originated in the Asia, but nowadays it has been grown throughout the world, but in some place growth is in large concentration, which is widely distributed in different countries. Ficus belong to Moraceae family, which is an evergreen and deciduous tree. Vegetative characteristics of the ficus are extremely variables. Leaves is having deeply lobed leaves. Ficus shows many traditional health effects: cure the disorders of the endocrine system, diabetes, respiratory system, liver diseases, asthma and cough, gastrointestinal tract, ulcer and vomiting, reproductive system, menstruation pain, and infectious diseases, skin disease, scabies, and gonorrhea. The nutrient supplement of ficus, they are the rich source of minerals and vitamins, giving per 100 grams serving the accompanying iron 30%, calcium 15.8%, potassium 14%, thiamine B1 7.1%, and riboflavin B2 6.2%. Figs are without sodium and in addition fat and cholesterol free. Ficus natural products contain minimum 17 amino acids, among which aspartic acid and glutamine are the most amazing ones. Dry figs contain moderately high amount of unrefined crude fiber, 5.8%, higher than those of all other regular natural products. Over 28% of the fiber is of the solvent type, which has aid to control of blood sugar and blood cholesterol and useful in weight reduction. The concentration of polyphenols in dried ficus is high among the commonly consumed fruit and beverages. Ficus species are utilized as nourishment, encourage, restorative reason. In India there are extensive number of people are living generally utilizing the wildly verdant vegetables for eating. Ficus geniculata among all the cultivated fruit species which are grown throughout the world with subtropical climate is the most oldest, which is well known by its nutritional as well as ethnomedicinal values. It is used as fresh and in its desiccated because of its photochemical. The plant of this species available widely in different part of the country and known by different names such. They possess a wide range of components include carbohydrates, protein, amino acids, minerals, photochemical etc. Traditionally the shoot of this plant is being utilized in the month of April-May for preparation of curry, as vegetables, pickles as well as dried shoot use as different additives as a curry. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and hit the notification icon.